everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So today we are out in the town on the road. We're going to do a viewing of an apartment complex today. So we are in Vineyard Town and we're going to be looking at the Vineyards at Deanery Road, you guys. So thank you to Coldwell Banker for inviting me here. So we are going to tour these studios, 2 bedrooms and the penthouse units available. So let us jump right into today's video. These apartments start at 26 million Jamaican dollars. They are geared towards middle income earners. So let us go and see what they have available. And you know what I must say? Let's see what it's saying. Let's see what it's giving. All right, so let's jump right into today's video. Alright, so you know when I do these full tours, I like to start off my video by doing a nice drive up. So now we're just going to head right onto Camp Road and we're going to take a nice drive up all the way to Deanery Road where the apartments are located. So as you can see here, we're on Camp Road and we're passing the JDF camp right here. There are different ways to get to Deanery Road, but based on my location, I was closer to this side, so I drove this side. So right now we're just passing Berts and we're in the South Camp area, and now we're going to take this left to get into the Vineyard Town area, right? So I took this turn onto Marion Road, but Deanery Road is very close by to here. So you can see we're in the Vineyard Town area. You have lots of homes, schools. We just passed Jesse Repul Primary School and now we are here on Deanery Road. Now you could have drove the way by the stadium to get to Deanery Road, but as I said, based on my location, I was coming from this side. So here on Deanery Road, as you can see, different houses, single family homes. We just passed an apartment complex there. You have schools. You have Excelsior High School that's close by here as well. You have the National Stadium. So it's pretty central to a lot of places. So here we are at the complex, and as you can see, it is gated. There is a security there, and you had to give them proper information and your credentials, your name, all of that, contact info to gain access onto the property. There is ample parking here, and as you can see, you have 2 buildings on the property, 2 different buildings to separate the units, and it's going to be a mixture of each type of housing model, I should say, on each floor, but you will see that shortly. So let's go up to the elevator, and then you guys, I will give you more info on the apartment styles, the layout, a full tour. It's been a while since we did a full Safe Haven video tour, so let us jump right into that. All right, you guys, so we're on the 5th floor because we're going to be looking at the studio first. So let's take a look at that. Hey guys, so I just finished doing a viewing with the Realtor. Thank you so much, Anna-Kaye, for having me and showing me around. So of course I'm going to show you guys now around, and we're going to start off here in this studio on the 5th floor. Okay, so this studio is on the 5th floor. As I said, it's different. It's just a little different from the other studios that would be like on the ground floor and on the other floors. This one being on the 5th floor, it does have a balcony, a larger balcony. I'll show you. There's different finishes in here, and the ceilings are a bit higher, but I'll show you guys. I'll take you around. All right, so you guys, here at this complex, you have 2 buildings, okay? Now, each building has 48 units. Now, what that means is that you have a total of 96 units. On each floor, you're going to have 6 studios and 2 two-bedroom units, all right? So, as I said before, this is a studio. Why can't I talk today? This is a studio that I'm going to tour with you first, and then we're going to take a look at the 2-bedroom on another floor. Let's start off this tour back at the elevator level, and let's go right up to the entry of this apartment, you guys. So as I said, this is the studio with balcony. Okay, so the studio with balcony will feature, as I said, a balcony different from the other studios downstairs, and on the other floors they do have elevated ceilings, and they do have just a nicer finish. Now all the apartment units have these features on the doors that I'm going to show you. So you have multiple ways in which you can access the property. So you have the keypad, you have the fingerprint, and then you have the key right there. This door was so secure. You had the locks all the way around the door, so you had it at the top, at the bottom, at the side, which was really good. So it just felt very secure. This was a very heavy duty, heavy, secure door. Like, wow. Now as we step into this studio apartment, as you can see, you do have all the finishes ready. You do have all the electrical outlets there, which would make installing AC units much easier. Mounting your TV, really easy. Everything is just in place, just moving ready. All right, so you do have some quartz countertops here, nice and lovely. You do have nice soft closing cabinets, which is it's nice, like natural wood finish color, really nice. I like how bright it is inside the studio here. And as I show you, you guys know I always show you everything that's going on inside here. So nice soft closing cabinets, really wide open windows just to let so much light in, and ample storage here with the cabinetry and all the cabinet space. Now, how it was explained to me, this studio was large enough to be converted into a one bedroom. So the studio units are 585 square feet, and they start at 26 million Jamaican dollars. Now this one that I am showing you, which is the penthouse studios with the balcony, is for 28 million Jamaican dollars. Okay, so this one, yes, it's priced more because the finishes are different, and you do have that balcony here. Okay, so please note that. So this balcony studio with balcony is only for the 5th floor. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, once you step out on your balcony, you're going to have exquisite views of Kingston City. When I tell you guys, you could see all the way back out to the Caribbean Sea, out to Kingston Wharf. You could see mountain views on the other side. You could see city views on the next side. Really, really nice open area. Very spacious studio. Very spacious studio. So to this section of the studio, you do have a wash area, which is nice. You do have a nice own private wash area. You do have this closet space here, and these closet fittings, they are adjustable. You can move them around to make them your own, and fit it however you would like. And then this is the bathroom here in this studio unit, and the finishes in this bathroom will be different from the studio on the other floors. All right, so you do have nicer finishes here in the studio with balcony. Okay, so as you can see, nice open. I love the finishes right here. I love that little space where you can put like your shampoo. I believe it's called a shampoo lever. Just really nice, beautiful tiling, great selection. I think the wood plays well with the tiling in here and all throughout the apartment. And I love, their choice in color of tiles used. It really makes the place look even brighter and even more open, which is really good when you're working with a studio, which is, a smaller space. So let's go back out here into the main living area. As I said, you could section this off to make it a one bedroom, so you can keep that in mind. That's an option for you. So think about it that way and think about what's possible with a studio, and then from there you can make your decision. I just had to go back out and check out that balcony. One thing about me, you guys, I love a balcony. I love a balcony. Okay, what time to say the balcony, Bobby? Put me on the balcony. All right. So Anna-Kaye, of the units here at the Deanery, what's left available? Because I heard that they're going really quickly.
Yes, we have 96 units total, right? And we only have two bedrooms, one on the second floor, one on the ground floor, and we have 3 of the penthouse unit, which is the white ones that you showed.
Right.
And we only have 3 of the regular studios. That makes it 8. Only 8 units left. People have gotten keys. They're already moving in. Why won't you move in too?
Awesome. Thank you.
All right.
So that was Anna-Kaye Price of Coldwell Banker, Jamaica. And you'll hear more from Anna-Kaye as we go throughout the video. But let's take a look now at the 2-bedroom units here. So the 2-bedroom starts at 36 million Jamaican dollars, and they are 865 square feet. Now at the time of recording this video, there were only 2-bedroom units left. Okay, I'm trying to get these videos out as fast as I can, so hopefully they'll still have some 2-bedroom units left for you guys. I hope so. As you can see in the unit, it's a nice open concept living, dining and kitchen area. Really nice, really airy, lots of sunlight coming in, really nice. Okay, and you guys, as I said before, just like in the studio, you already have all those electrical fittings ready for you to go. You have, based on how they designed this 2-bedroom a while ago, you can mount your TV on either sides of the wall. Just, they have everything, all the electrical in place, which is really good. So this is the bathroom here, one of the bathrooms here in the 2-bedroom. So it's 2-bedroom, 2-bath, you guys. So this one, you know, you would use this one, you know, for guests, for the 2nd bedroom. So this is the one that they would have access to. Okay, so as you go along this corridor here, you will have again your private washroom area, which will come with this stainless steel sink right there, and everything again in place for your washer and dryer. This is the primary bedroom here. So as you can see, you do have a nice little Juliet balcony where you can view the pool and the nice mountain views. And we do have these large windows. Really love the size of these windows right here. All right, you do have your closet here as well. And as I said, all of these are adjustable, and I'll show you guys a little further into the video, so you will see that as we go throughout. Now let's take a look at this primary bathroom. Really nice, open and spacious, you guys. Really nice primary bathroom here, and I love the glass enclosure here. Really, I like how the black contrasts this more brown tone tile. Really nice. Really nice. And you guys, the finishes that you're seeing in this 2-bedroom would be the finishes in the studio apartments that are not on the 5th floor. So apart from the 5th floor studio apartments, this is what the finishes would look like in the other studios. Okay, so you can just use that as a guide. And there are 6 studios left in total, 3 regular studios and then 3 with the balcony. So now this is the secondary bedroom. As you can see here, smaller, of course, we expected that, and it does have a smaller closet space. And I'm going to show you, you know, that, you know, the racks and the shelves, they are adjustable. You can move them around however you like, and you know, it's just a nice room. This would be a great kids room, of course, a nice guest room if you'd like it to be that as well. So it's all up to you. All right, you guys, so that is basically it for the 2 bedrooms. I think next on the tour, I'm going to take you guys upstairs up to the rooftop level, so you guys can tell me in the comments down below what you're thinking of these units so far. Do you like the vibe of the studio better? Do you like the vibe of the 2-bedroom better? Which one do you think would be a better buy, or which one has caught your interest? So let's step inside the elevator. And you guys, I love how this elevator just has that nice window where you can view, and you just feel a little luxury, you know, viewing it and going up while you're ascending up to the rooftop. But yes, so this was a short ride. So we're going to view the rooftop area now, which is a nice recreational area. And as I said, you guys, the breeze up here is so nice, and the views are truly stunning. Guys, we are up on the rooftop terrace area and it's so windy up here, lots of cool breeze, really nice feeling. So I am going to show you the rooftop area and then we're going to go downstairs on the ground floor to look at the play area for the kids, the pool, and the little clubhouse pool area. So yeah, let's take a look. So windy, so breezy, and nice and cool. Important. Hey, Safe Haven fam. So we're here with Anna-Kaye of Coldwell, Jamaica, and we again are at the Vineyards at Deanery Road. So Anna-Kaye, what can you tell us about the vineyards here that make it a must buy, a must invest? What's so special about this location?
Oh my gosh, there's so much about it that I absolutely love. First of all, Kingston is getting tight. Everybody wants to go to Kingston 8 and Kingston 6, but you have to look outside of it. Kingston 3 is the next great spot. Lots of space, lots of greenery. You would have seen before, we can't even see it. The breeze down here, it's so quiet, it's so central. We have 20 minutes to the airport, 2 minutes to stadium, 2 minutes to Sabina Park, downtown. So when you talk about central, this is it. So this is coming at the first level. We are sitting on almost 2 acres of land. The property is to the back. This is like coming into its own little oasis. So I can't stress how lovely this property is. It compares to anything that you'll see in Kingston 8 and Kingston 6. Awesome. So it's a great buy.
Awesome. And is it approved for short-term rentals?
Absolutely. And honestly, I really think it's going to be excellent at short-term because you have carnival, you have sporting events, you have people coming in for conferences, people are just coming in for business, they want to get in and out. You have people that live in Deanery. Right. So there's so many people I've come across, they have family that live in Vineyard Town, but guess what, they may not want to stay with the people at their family home. True, they can stay here, they can stay at their pool, have their rooftop. Short term, it's a no-brainer. This is definitely a place that will do very well.
Nice. And what is the maintenance cost here?
Alright, so the estimated maintenance is $25,000. But that maintenance, let me tell you what that covers. 24-hour security. Brittany can tell you, when she came in, she couldn't get in.
Yes, they saw it coming along, they saw it.
So 24-hour maintenance, 2 elevators, a pool. There is so much grass here, so it needs to be tended to. So you have to pay for that. There is backup generator for the common areas and also water supply. 2 separate water supplies actually. We have an underground for the toilets and the sinks, but we also have a separate water supply just to water the lawns. I mean, 25,000 sounds a lot, but honestly, you get what you pay for.
Awesome. And if persons are interested in viewing, who could they contact?
Yours truly. So you can give me a call, 876-323-6143, or you can email me at Anna-Kaye, ANNAKPRICE, price, at cbjamaica.com, or you can find me on Instagram at ANNAKayeprice.realestate. Yeah.
And I'll have that all on the screen. Oh, yes, so that's
great. You can find me there.
All right. Thank you so much, Anna-Kaye.
Hope to see you soon.
Thank you.
Okay, so I didn't film an official outro video, so you guys will have to enjoy these behind the scenes clips of me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Tell me in the comments down below what you think about the vineyards at Deanery Road. What do you think about the 2-bedroom, and what do you think about the studio, and what do you think about the prices? Okay, again, remember, if you're interested in viewing this property here, you're going to reach out to Anna-Kaye Price at Coldwell Banker. I'll have all her information again in the description box down below, as I always do. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, you guys, and thank you so much for consistently viewing my videos and tuning in all the time. And until my next video, bye guys.